delays for you either. However, we did have some volume delays earlier today in Miami. Wonder why, right? There's a big game happening today. If you are planning on traveling, ooh, this isn't really fun to see right here. You see that orange airplane right there? That means that we have some strong reports of turbulence, strong turbulence being reported right there across parts of where we have that little spurt of snow that's developing. We also have the impacts and the expectation for strong damaging winds. That's coming in ahead of Winter Storm Gage. So here's Cade, I'm sorry, not Gage. Cade is currently over the Rockies right now. Denver, you could be seeing some strong winds associated with that storm as we get into the rest of today. So the big question is, as we get into today, who's going to win the big game tonight? Expecting Colorado Springs, high today, right around 70 degrees. By Wednesday morning, 3 degrees, and it's all thanks to this next coast storm that's already packing that punch across parts of the Intermountain West and the Pacific Northwest. Winter Storm Cade. That's going to be the culprit, actually, behind Cade. That's going to be the reason why we even see all this cold air and this kind of a whiplash, if you can say that. All right, starting tomorrow, we have this main trough right here, developing some cold air filtering in over the four corners. But ahead of that, we have very warm temperatures. I mean, you have to laugh to keep from crying. I just tweeted this. Storm of suspicion. We got your 7-day stretch starting off with today. Of course, big day happening. Super Groundhog Sunday. We got the Super Bowl. And talk about two different weather regimes. We're looking at snow for parts of the Northeast. You saw some snow. We got your 7-day stretch starting off with today. Of course, big day happening. Super Groundhog Sunday. We got the Super Bowl. And talk about two different weather regimes. We're looking at snow for parts of the Northeast. You saw some snow for Phil's prediction. 7-day stretch starting off with today. Of course, big day happening. Super Groundhog Sunday. We got the Super Bowl. And talk about two different weather regimes. We're looking at snow for parts of the Northeast. You saw some snow for Phil's prediction. And lots of sun and cooler temperatures for parts of Miami. Now, as we head into the West Coast, as we get into your Monday, we are looking at Winter Storm Cade starting to plow into the Rockies, bringing in possible record-breaking snow for Salt Lake City. Denver finally seeing some snow. Again, not the coldest temperatures just yet, and that's key. 29 degrees for now as we get into Monday, 20 degrees for Fargo, but those temperatures will plummet as we get into your Tuesday. Take a look at what happens. Numbers now in the teens. Fargo sitting at 13 degrees. No snow for you, but that main push of Cade dives way south in towards the Four Corners, and we're also seeing the chance for some severe storms developing across parts of the Southeast in those warmer temperatures. All right, as we get into the middle of the week, thunderstorms for Atlanta, Dallas. You were dealing with some storms just the day before.